Welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Valentine stitch. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw a circle for the nose. We're going to start at the very top of the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now along the bottom on either side, we're going to draw a half circle for the nostrils. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Then we'll go up towards the top and add a fold, going up and then down. Let's move to the side of the nose and draw in the eyes. We're going to start on the left, we're going to go up, round out the eye, come down towards the bottom, and then just pull that back in. Let's line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, come around the side, and then up. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the pupil. Starting back on the inside, we're going to go around, leave a gap along the outside, and then pull that back in. Let's move up to the top of the pupils, draw a circle for a highlight. Let's move down towards the bottom and add a smaller circle. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start on the left, then it's up towards the nose, and then down. Let's curl this up. Bring this out, and then up towards the side of the eyes. Let's open up the mouth, starting back on the left. Curl this down, across, and then up. Let's add the teeth across the top, leaving a gap in the center. Move to the left side. We draw a half circle, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more tooth on either side. Let's move down to the bottom and add the bottom row of teeth. Starting on the left side, going up and down. Add one more, and then mirror that over on the right. Now let's add the tongue in the center. We're going to start with a point. Curve this up towards the left, and then down on top of that tooth. And then we'll fill the back side of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to move to the side of the eyes and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out, go around the mouth, across the chin, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's separate the jaw. We're going to start on the left, bend this down, and then in. Now I'm going to add that fold across the top of the eyebrow. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up above the eye, and then bend that down. Now on top of the left brow, I'm going to curve the head, going up and then in towards the middle. And let's add some hair, going up and out, bend that back down. Let's add one more point, going up and out, and then back in. And we'll close off the right side of the head, coming in towards the brow. Let's add those thick eyebrows. Starting from the outside, we go higher in the middle, and then bend that down. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now that we complete the head, let's draw in the ears. We're going to start on the left side, bend this out, and then up. We'll line that up on the right side. Let's round out the top of the ears, and just pull that down. Now over on the left side, we're going to add a notch with a sideways V coming in and then out. All the way down towards the bottom of the ear, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to come all the way around. Now along the bottom, we're going to add another notch, coming in and then out. Continue down and then in. Let's add that fold along the top of the ear, starting from the left side, coming down, and then in. So line it up on the right side. And from here, bend this down, and then up. Now we're going to move down and draw that large heart in front of the body. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come up towards the head, round this out, and then come down towards the side. Go back to the center, go up towards the right, and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw an oval for the first finger. Going all the way around, and then back up. And we'll mirror that on the right side. Now I want to layer 2 more fingers underneath. So we're going to start from the outside, just tuck this up underneath with an oval, and then do that one more time. Let's go to the bottom of the fingers and curve the heart coming down and in towards the middle. Come down and in from the left, bend this out and then up. Let's add the claws on the tip of each finger with a small half circle. And we'll fill the inside of those claws in black. Now I want to draw the side of the arms coming back in. Let's start on the left side, bend this down and out, and then bend that back in toward the outside of that bottom finger. Now underneath the heart from the left side, we're going to curve the body coming down and then up. Let's stretch the legs out towards the side. We're going to start from the left side. We're going to draw a circle with a gap along the bottom. Let's layer 2 more toes along the side. Start from the top, go all the way around, just tuck that in, come down towards the side and do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing over on the right. So we're just going to line this up, going all the way around and then in. Add the second toe, and then the third. From the inside of that first toe, we're going to curve the leg going up and then in. Let's go to the bottom of the last toe, curve the foot, coming down, and we'll bend that up. And then from the heel, curve the leg going up and then in towards the side of the body. Along the top of each toe, we're going to add those claws, that half circle, and we'll fill those in black. And now I want to add that patch across the bottom of the foot, starting from the outside, going all the way around with a circle. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Valentine Stitch. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.